want to make a few comments about the results and discussion section. Based on what I've seen so far, I'm seeing a couple of things that I want you to take into consideration. Take a look at your results and discussion section, and make sure first that you are presenting results first. Make sure that first you can distinguish between what is a result, that is the findings, the information or data that is coming from your research, only talking about the most specific and important aspects of those results, and then realizing when you are commenting, you're interpreting, you are evaluating those results, which we're going to call the discussion. So first, just make sure that you can distinguish between those two. The next, make sure that you present first the results, not the discussion. You don't want to present any interpretation before you actually present the results. So try to stick first to the results and then discuss or provide an interpretation or your discussion. The last thing I want to mention here is the importance of trying to maintain a balance between results and discussion. I'm seeing a lot of, so far, a lot of results and just a little bit of a discussion. Sometimes I see just citations and that's it. I would recommend that you provide your own original thoughts and then provide citations along with your interpretation to support your own ideas. So I think in general, make sure that you're providing more of your original ideas, your own interpretation in your own words. Judge those results, evaluate them, explain what they mean, and then provide citations to complement or support what you're saying. Now, I think we mentioned two general approaches to organizing your paragraphs. Make sure that if you're going to include results and discussion within one paragraph, that you close or end that idea in that one paragraph and then move on to another idea, another topic sentence in the next. Sometimes I see I would say leftover evidence or findings. So I'll see like results in one paragraph. Then in the second paragraph, I will continue seeing results that are related to the prior paragraph, and then maybe one or two sentences in the discussion. So I would try to be more deliberate in creating the paragraphs, making sure that if you're going to include it in one paragraph, both the results and discussion, that you finalize that idea and then move on to something else. Otherwise, create one paragraph of results and one paragraph of the discussion. I've even seen examples of two result paragraphs followed by two paragraphs that are discussions, and that's fine too, as long as you maintain the balance and that you're deliberately shifting between the results and the discussion. So these are all kind of going hand in hand, and these are some things we're going to talk about next week. But take a look at that, your own document, the feedback that I'm actually providing in each one of your documents for specific details. And again, I'm talking in general, but this is something that we need to focus on as a group in general based on what I've seen so far.